Hello everyone, happy to see you here. Welcome back to my channel High Mathematics. Today we have a very interesting question. We know that x plus y equal to 6 and xy equal to 4, and we need to find our x and y. If you have your answer, your solution, you can also write your solution down into the comment section, and then we will check your answer, so it will be really interesting. So first of all, let's express from the first equation, let's express our y. Okay, let's do this right now. This is our first step. As a result, we have that our y equal to 6 minus x. 6 minus x. Right now, let's plug in this y right here in the second equation. Let's do this right now. So let's plug in this, instead of this y, let's plug in 6 minus x. As a result, what do we have? X times this 6 minus x, and equal to 4. It looks like it will be a quadratic equation, but let's see what will happen. So as a result, what do we have? We have 6x minus x square equal to 4. Yeah, this is a quadratic equation, but it's not the great order for us because we prefer this one on the first position. So let's write it. As a result, we have minus x squared on the first position. On the second position, we have plus 6x, and in the end we're gonna write this constant minus 4 equal to 0. But we don't like this minus, so we need to multiply or divide both side by minus 1. So multiplying both side by minus 1. Let's do this right now. As a result, we have x squared minus 6x and plus 4. So this is our quadratic equation, all known formulas right now. Let's solve it according to a discriminant real quick. As a result, what do we have? Discriminant equal to b squared minus 4ac. As a result, what do we have? B squared minus 4ac. Our a from here, we can easily write our constant real quick. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 6, and c equal to 4. So let's plug in each of these coefficients into this spot. So we have b squared, we have minus 6 square minus 4 times a times 1 times c times 4. So right now let's find our discriminant real quick. So minus 6 square equal to 36. Yeah, 36 minus, we have right here 4 times 4 equal to 16. So our discriminant is positive. So we have 20 right here is positive. So it means that right here we have two real number roots. Let's do this. Let's find it. So as a result, right here, what do we have? We have x first and second equal to, right now we have minus b, all known formula, minus b plus minus square root of d, and all over 2a. As a result, what do we have? Minus b, we have minus 6 plus minus square root of discriminant, so square root of this d, so square root of 20, yeah, so square root of discriminant, and all over right here we have 2a 2 times 1. Let's simplify this a little bit. We can easily do this. First of all, minus 6 equal to 6 plus minus square root of 20. We can easily split this 20 as a product 4 times 5. Let's do this. So square root of 4 times 5 and divided by 2. Right now, when we have this product in our square root sign, so when we have, this is like a quick rule, so when we have a square root of x times y, we can easily write it as square root of x times square root of y. We can easily split it. So as a result, we have 6 plus minus square root of 4 times square root of 5. And we divide all of the thing by 2. Right now, square root of 4 equal to 2. So we can easily simplify this a little bit. So 6 plus minus 2 square root of 5 over 2. So from here, we can easily say that our answer is 3 plus minus square root of 5, because we can easily divide it by 2. So we can easily rewrite it as 6 over 2 plus minus 2 square root of 5 over 2. We can easily split it, and right here, this is our 3 plus minus, right here we can easily cancel it. As a result, 3 plus minus square root of 5. So these are our two roots, x first and x second. But don't forget about substitution. So first of all, I'm gonna write x first and second real quick. Let's write it. So let's go with x first with the positive sign. So x first equal to 3 plus square root of 5, and x second equal to 3 minus square root of 5. But don't forget about our substitution. So we have that our y equal to 6 minus x. So right now let's find our pairs, because we need to find x first, x and y, yeah? So right now let's find our y first. So our y first from here, our y first equal to 6 minus x. So 6 minus x first, okay, this x first. So our y first equal to 6 minus x first. So 6 minus 3 plus square root of of 5. Yeah, so as a result, from here our y first equal to 6 minus 3 minus square root of 5. So our y first equal to 3 minus square root of 5. So this is our y first, this is our x first. So we already have one pair. And the second pair, so y second equal to 6 minus x second. Okay, so this one. So as a result, y second equal to 6 minus 3 minus square root of 5. And right here we have y second equal to 6 minus 3 plus square root of 5. So 6 minus 3 equal to 3, so y second equal to 3 plus square root of 5. So we have our pairs, and right now let's write it and let's check our pairs real quick. So looks like our answer, so I'm gonna write it as answer, but then we will check it, okay? So as a result, we have our pairs x and y equal to, let's go with the first pair, so 3 plus square root of 5 and then 3 minus square root of 5. The second pair, 3 minus square root of 5 and 3 plus square root of 5. Okay, these are our two roots, and right now let's check it real quick. Don't forget about our question, because in the beginning we had our question. So x plus y need to be equal to 6, and a product xy need to be equal to 4. Okay, right now let's check it real quick. First of all, let's check, for example, our addition, and we don't need to check both of these pairs because we have addition and multiplication. Why we don't need to check both these pairs? Because, for example, we have 2 plus 3. This is the same as 3 plus 2. We have absolutely the same thing, but looks like mirrored, looks like a reverse thing. We have plus minus, minus plus, so doesn't matter. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2, absolutely the same thing. And the same way with multiplication. So when we have 2 times 3, this is the same as 3 times 2. We have 6 right here and we have 6 right here, so we can change position, so we don't need to check both of these pairs. Let's, for example, check this one. So let's start with addition. So we have 3 plus square root of 5 plus 3 minus square root of 5 equal to 6. Need to be equal to 6. Let's see what will happen. So square root of 5 we can easily cancel real quick right here with this one, and as a result we have 3 plus 3 equal to 6 equal to 6. So addition works absolutely perfectly. You can easily, as a homework, you can easily check this root, these pairs. You will have absolutely the same thing. Minus square root of 5, you're going to cancel with this square root of 5. So as a result, everything is great. Right now, let's check our multiplication. Okay, let's do this right now. Let's check our multiplication. So x times y equal to 4. As a result, we have parentheses. So 3 plus square root of 5 times 3 minus square root of 5 need to be equal to 4. Okay, how can we simplify it? A lot of students multiply parentheses by parentheses, but if you look closely, when you know a little bit about school algebra, you need to know a really great formula: a squared minus b squared. This is our a minus b times a plus b, a plus b. And right now, let's look closely at our question right here. So we have, for example, this is our a, this is our b, this is our a, and this is our b. So we have a plus b and a minus b. So as a result, we can easily apply right here our formula a squared minus b squared. Let's do this. So as a result, a squared, this is our 3 squared minus b squared equal to square root of 5 to the second power equal to 4. Let's see what will happen. So 3 squared equal to 9 minus square root of 5 equal to 5 to the second power. Of course, we can easily cancel it. So minus 5 equal to 4, and everything is absolutely great. We have 4 equal to 4. So our roots is absolutely great. So our answer is absolutely correct for us. We can easily check it. If you want to improve your knowledge, you can easily check the second pair. You will have absolutely the same thing. You just change right here position, and we can easily do this because we have multiplication, so we can easily change positions wherever we want, like 2 times 3, 3 times 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2. So in terms of addition and multiplication, we can change position, but they think it's not works in the same way with division. Okay, when we have like 2 times 3, this is not the same as 3 times 2, so just forget about it. In terms of like division, this is wrong approach. You can't change right here positions. With multiplication, addition, it works perfectly, and that's why we don't need to check both of these roots. So it was my explanation to this question. I really hope you understand it. I really hope you learned something new. This is our answer, so let me just underline this answer because I don't have enough space right here. So for example, yeah, right here, this is our answer. You can easily see this answer right here in the middle of the screen right now. So X and Y, here's our answer, here's our proof, we proved it, we checked our roots. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you understand my explanation. This question, it's not that hard, to be honest. This is like a basic algebra thing right here, because we just express y, we plug in it, and we solve quadratic equation. Then we go back to our looks like substitution, y equal to 6 minus x, and then we find our two pairs. So it's not that hard, to be honest, but maybe a lot of students want to see this type of question on my YouTube channel, so that's why I record this video, and I really hope you enjoyed. I really hope you learned something new. So thank you for your time. Wish you all the best in your life. Also write your question, write your suggestion down into the comment section, write your notes about this question. I really appreciate when you leave your response in the comment section, which is extremely great to see. And if it's not hard, you can easily leave a like, you can easily leave a dislike, and it's extremely important for me, like, to improve my videos and to see your response, how many people does understand this question, how many people like don't understand this question. It's extremely great thing, and it's extremely kind of you when you leave your response, and when you leave a like, dislike. It's extremely great as well when you appreciate this type of content. I really like it, and I really inspired by you to make new videos every day. So I make like more than 200, maybe more than like 500 videos already. Yeah, and I really appreciate it. Who go with me through all these paths. I really want to say thank you, genuinely thank you everyone for your support, for your likes, for your dislikes, and I really hope you learn a little bit of math, you learn something new from my videos. It's extremely great, and this is my main goal, to make math clear and understandable for everyone. So thank you for your time. Wish you all the best in life. Take care of yourself and have a great day. See you in the next videos.